Hello, myself Adi Sharma. So in this video, I will be telling you an information about how to apply for a driving license. So many of the people need a driving license to drive basically. If you don't have driving license and in case the police or the traffic police catches you, you can be in danger because you don't have a license. So there will be a penalty, there will be a charges, as this is a India and not any other country. So you don't have jail for it, but you have to pay a strong amount like 15,000, 20,000, depends on the place and depends on the traffic police also. So you need to understand, and you it is important to have a driving license basic. Yeah, so to issue a driving license, first of all, you need to apply for a learner license. So how would you apply? So first of all, you need to open your Chrome or any other browser, and in that you have to search the Sarthi Parivahan. And after you search the Sarthi Parivahan, you need to click on the first website which will be appear. So when you click on that website, there would be a option of learning license. So you need to click on that, and then afterwards you need to fill all the details and all, and you need to follow the steps and all. Then there will be a test conducted. So that test would be like an MCQs, and your camera also will be on, and that test, I guess, that you need to pay something 300 or 400 rupees for that. And if in case you fail the first test, then to give the test again you need to pay 100 rupees, I guess. So yes, so that's the information regarding to a learner license, how you apply for it. Yes, so once you pass the learner license test, then the duration of issuing the driving license will be somewhat 1 to 2 year, I guess. So in 1 to 2 year, you need to give the test, and that test would be actually physical test. Physical test means like you need to go to a nearby RTO, and there you need to give a driving test. So you need to take your car, or there will be a car, but you need to pay extra 800 or 1000 rupees for that particular ride. So it is not affordable. So instead you can take your car and you can go there, and there will be a driving test. So there will be a guide, or there would be an invigilator which would sit next to you, and he will tell you what the test you need to pass, and you need to answer some questions to them. So yes, when you answer the questions, and when you complete your test, that physical test of driving, after that, in I guess 2 to 3 days, your driving license will be yes, in 2 to 3 days your driving license will be delivered to the address which you gave to that information particular.